Hey, what's going on, people? It's your good Crypto Gems, and today we'll talk about Axie Infinity. We'll see what it is and where it can go in the future. Please check out the links in the description box. However, this is not a financial advice and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Let's get into it. So Axie Infinity is an NFT game that allows individuals to earn currencies from playing the game as they breed, race, and battle. Axie Infinity mission was to function as a fun and educating way to introduce blockchain technology to the players. Many of the developers and team members met from playing the CryptoKitties, which then evolved them working on Axie to introduce magic of blockchain technology to the players. The difference between Axie and our traditional game is that Axie rewards their players for contributing to their ecosystem, which means that the more you contribute to the Axie universe, the more you can earn. So since this is a play-to-earn game structure, players can earn by competing PvP battles, breeding Axies, and selling them into the marketplace or collecting rare Axies. It's ranked 30 on Coin Marketplace. They have $29.6 million of total market cap. It's priced at around $110, and they only have 270 million of AXS token in supply. So the supply is really limited. Remember that smooth level portion or SLP token, which is a volatile cryptocurrency, are needed to breed these Axies. You can purchase SLP on Uniswap or Binance, and they're priced at around $0.031. Now let's take a look at their Twitter account. And as you guys can see, they have huge number of followers. So they're like 814,000 followers. And they post regularly. They post about their updates, competitions, and stuff like that. Here they said that Americans can now buy ETH SLP on Ronin using card payments through Ramp network. So they post content like this regularly, and overall the project looks really interesting. Now let's talk about some technical analysis of AXS token. So we had a nice bull run throughout the 2021 year, and after that it pulled back to this support level over here, and now it's starting to move back up again. It has also crossed about the 20-day SMA. If you look at weekly chart, price is taking support around 20 SMA, and here it has made a very nice bullish engulfing candle. And now if it starts moving up again from here, we can use Fibonacci extensions to determine the possible price targets. So the first target that we can see here is at around $208, next at $279, and so on. So that is it for now. Today we talked about AXS token and some technical analysis of AXS. Please check out the links in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for being here. Take care.